Satyam Heto.
She's not a racer. She's a trainer.
Yeah.
Cruz Ramirez, the best trainer in the business.
Ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it. All right. Now bring up those RPMs.
Like the attitude. Yeah, we call her our maestro of motivation.
You're driving a little tense again, Ronald.
No, I'm cool.
Do your exercise.
I am a fluffy cloud.